Howdy folks, it's time to Maiden this gorgeous Sonic model Cessna 182. As usual, there's a little bit too much wind, but the sun's out, I've got the time, no one else is here, so it's as good a time as any. I've got a 3003S. See what that does to CG. Fits in nicely. DG. That's CG is perfect at 60 millimeters back from the leading edge, so we'll give that a go. Controls I have ailerons, flaps, elevator and rudder. And without any further ado, let's get it up in the air. Here we go. That's uneventful. Bit of wind. No dramas at all. Now I've got a bit of nose down at the moment, so it's a bit nose heavy, as I thought it would be. Got lots of add-on throw, more than I need for scale flying. Look at that, that's fantastic. Oh, winds all over the place. Very turbulent in behind the trees there. Let's fly down this way a little bit. Come back slowly past us. Just looks like a Cessna in the sky. Very cool. Oh, it's lovely. Lots of wind. I'm up to 3/4 power now. I've got probably too much aileron throws and elevator throw and rudder throw for scale flying at the moment. I can dial them down, but it's fine flying it. Let's try and bring it in for a landing. Oh, it's a bit rough. Let's see how the landing gear fared. That's always going to be a problem, I think. Nose wheel's bent. Ugh. I have heard that that's very weak, and if you land a bit hard like that, then it can bend, which I guess it has a little bit. So the wind is about 15 knots or so. More than ideal. See the LEDs, I can barely see the LEDs. You can sort of see them. The front LEDs you can see. Alright, let's go again. Lovely scale takeoffs. Bit about the wind. Ooh, he really wants to kick it over. Flaps down for a nice slow. That's better. It's a bit foolhardy doing that in this wind, but anyway, I got away with it. How about we chuck in a loop? Very cool. So this is a lot of fun to fly, even in this gusty 15 knot wind. It's quite stable. It does get kicked around a little bit by the wind, but nothing outrageous. So this is the Cessna 182. What is it? About 1400mm wingspan from Sonic Model. And thanks to Banggood for letting me review this plane. Thanks for watching.